third grade, what we're going to be doing this week is we are going to be working with prefixes. Prefixes are kind of like the opposite of suffixes. Suffixes, as a reminder, we add to the end of a base word. Well, this week we're going to be using prefixes, which is a little part of a word that you add to the beginning of a base word. And it also changes the meaning, just like suffixes. So this week, the two prefixes that we're going to talk about are re and un. So let's go ahead and get started with re. Re is a prefix that you use with verbs or action words. So things that you can do. So you can write, you can walk. Those are action words or verbs. So when you add re to the beginning of a base word, it means again. So for example, if I have the word rewrite, my base word is write. So rewrite would mean to write again. So for example, on your assignments, I know some of you might have had to rewrite something again because it might not have been neat enough. Then that means that you have to write it again. So right now, what I want you to do is I want you to get with your group and come up with at least 4 words that have the prefix re at the beginning of it. I'll give you a couple seconds. My goodness, you guys must be experts. You have such good experience with doing suffixes that these prefixes are coming easy. Well, what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about the suffix un. And un, or not the suffix, the prefix un. And when you have a prefix un, it's a part of a word that you add to verbs or adjectives. So, for example, if I have the adjective safe, which describes a noun, which is a person, place, thing, or idea. So if I want to describe a street, which is a noun, and I say that it is unsafe, then when you add the prefix un to the beginning of a base word, then it means not, and it turns it into the opposite of something. So if I'm describing a street as unsafe, then I'm saying it is not safe unless you have an adult with you. So what I want you to do is get with your groups again and come up with at least 4 more words that have the prefix un at the beginning. I'll give you a couple minutes to do that. I tell you what, we must have the best 3rd grade class ever. I've heard amazing words for re and amazing words that have the prefix un. So make sure when you're reading, if you see either of these prefixes, you are thinking of what they mean so that you can unlock the meaning of the words.